Hello all of you beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be my battle of the boxes for Ipsy and Boxy Charm. Normally I do these videos every single month. Sometimes I do them together, sometimes I don't do them together, sometimes I kind of just, it is what it is. But my Ipsy and my base box for Boxy Charm both came at the same time, and we haven't done a battle of boxes in a really long time. So let's just go ahead and put these to the test and see who came out with the better box. So if you guys like videos like this, you know the gist. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with Ipsy. So Ipsy is $25 a month. Again, if you don't know that and it's your first time on my channel, welcome. But yes, Ipsy is $25 a month for the middle tier, because you've got the $12 tier, $25 tier, and then the $50 tier. So yes, with the $25 one, you should get a value of over $120. But the thing that I've not been liking about Ipsy so far lately is they don't give you a card that tells you the prices of everything. So you have to go online into your Ipsy bag area, and then you have to look up the MSRP. So to actually see what the market sales rate price, whatever it is for the item. But this is what the adorable drawstring bag looks like for us this month. I love the color blocking in it, very like fall colors. To me, it does give me those like vibes of like leaves and like the blue of like the dark night sky. So I do appreciate that. The card is right here for us. It is November 2020. Be present is basically what it says, is the theme. And then that's pretty much what it is on the back. It is telling me though, just so that you know, coming up on November 27th through November 30th, they are doing some holiday bundles for like the holiday time. If you're thinking about giving away stuff for Christmas time and you want to save your coin, up to 85% off on market price values. Just go ahead and save the date. It's going to be on ipsy.com/holidayhouse. So yeah, go ahead and save the date if you're interested, if you are a part of the Ipsy family. If you're not a part of the Ipsy family, I do have a link down below if you're interested in signing up. I'd appreciate if you use that link. It does help me get more points towards more makeup, and that's pretty much all it is. So appreciate you so much if you do that, and let me know in the comments if you've used it. But yeah, so this is what the bag looks like. Let's just go ahead and dive into it. So the first item coming out of it, also if you guys don't know, which I don't even know why I wasn't even thinking about this, you guys know I do giveaways every single month. So my giveaway for last month should be ending here shortly. But I always go through these bags and stuff and then put them into a larger giveaway at the very end of the month. So let's just see what I like, what I don't like, and what you might be getting. So again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? If you want to enter into the giveaway, but that's not going to be in this video. That will be in the last video when I get my premium box. So just so you are aware of that. But again, so we've got the Violet Voss right here. This is the 6-color eyeshadow pressed pigment. And this is what it looks like. Super sleek, neat packaging. And if you open it up, it has these beautiful colors. Wow, those are super pretty. Very screams fall to me. I do have something kind of like this already in my collection. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this on to one of you for this month's giveaway. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next item. If I can find out the value, obviously you guys know I will put that on the screen for us. And then moving on next is going to be the Wonder Beauty Highline Liquid Eyeliner. This was one of the items I did choose for myself. The Violet Voss one, I believe, was just already chosen for me. But this I will be keeping because I really do love Wonder Beauty and I've been really wanting to try it. And then I also chose another Wonder Beauty item that was able for me to try, which is the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. This is in light. I also do have this in a medium, which is why I got the light version this time, was because I want to be able to combine both of them to make my perfect shade for me. So this foundation I will be keeping as well. And then the next item, which is in here, this is going to be the Trizique Eye Good Vibes Mascara Curler Lash Enhancing Mascara. that's a lot to say, but this is what the packaging looks like. And then apparently there is an eyelash curler on the wand. I did see Allie Dawson show this off in one of her unboxing that she did, so I'm not going to go ahead and open it, but you guys can kind of see that's what it looks like. If it's very interesting, very, I guess, revolutionary, if that's something you want to say or not, but it has an eyelash curler on there in case you forget it. It's a 2-in-1. Who doesn't like a 2-in-1? But I have a lot of mascaras and I have my favorite eyelash curler, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway as well. And then the very last item is that I was able to choose as an option, but I guess I wasn't really wowed by it. This is going to be the Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick, and this is going to be in Champagne Shimmer. So if you can tell on the side, it's just a eyeshadow stick. I wasn't really interested in this. I was more interested in these two items the most. I was super excited for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into this month's giveaway as well as I dropped it on the ground. So that is everything. Wow, my hair's in my face. So that is everything that we got in this month's box for Ipsy. And if I am able to tally up the price for you, I will put it right here on the screen for you so you can see what the value is. You are supposed to get over $120 value in this $25 box with the 5 full-size products. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and move on to Boxy Charm. Alright, and so this is my Boxy Charm base box. This is what it looks like. This month I was super excited for Boxy Charm base box because on TikTok I was able to see Michaela talk about the exclusive that was coming this month for Boxy Charm. So I'm super excited to see what I got in here and if I got that item. Here is the card. The card theme this month is Harvest, obviously because of Thanksgiving. And I have all the prices on the back here for you, so we'll talk about that as we pull every single item out of here. But I'm just going to start off with the most amazing item that is clutch in this box that I got, and I'm so excited because this was the exclusive that Michaela was talking about. If you guys don't know who Michaela is, you should definitely check her out on TikTok for sure. I also have a TikTok if you haven't heard me talk about that enough, but yeah, go ahead and check that out as well. Again, I will leave that link down below. But the exclusive for this month for Boxy Charm was Natasha Denona. This is my first item I have ever owned by Natasha Denona, and it is one of the full-size 5-pan eyeshadows, and I love this so much. And obviously this kind of looks, the Violet Voss one looks almost identical to this. It does have that same like red shade right there for us, but I am just stoked for this. I cannot wait to use this in a future tutorial for you guys, and the value of this is $48. That already pays for the box, and I'm sorry, yep, you already know what my thoughts are going to be, right? You know what my thoughts are going to be, right? Okay, $48 for the Natasha Denona palette. Also, they threw in a coupon here for you guys if you're interested in trying out Natasha Denona. You have a 25% off site-wide if you go to natashadenona.com and use the code NDXBOXY. So that's what the coupon looks like, and then the code is right here for you guys, NDX Boxy. So I'm guessing Natasha Denona X Boxy. It makes it easy enough. 25% off site-wide, and this goes until December 25th of 2020 for you guys to use. Then the next item in here that I see is super exciting because I do not own this yet, and I've always wanted to get this, and I'm ready to like put this into a battle of its own. This is the Gimme Brow by Benefit, and it is the eyebrow gel. It is the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. This is what it looks like. For them, they gave it to me in the color 3.5. I'm interested to know if that's actually my color because they actually do make you do like a your quizzes online, so it should work because it is a little bit more of a light brown shade. But that's kind of where I'm kind of going in between with my brows, is like between a dark and a light brown, just because I am blonde right now. But my roots, obviously this is my natural hair color, and then you have the blonde that's in my hair right now at the moment. Obviously my hair is a little bit different in this video than normal. It's because I'm actually going to a ball later, so I went ahead and did my hair for the ball that I'm going to. But yeah, and that is what that looks like. But I'm interested in doing a video of just dupes of this, of the lower end. So if you guys are interested in that kind of video, then let me know. But the price of this is going to be $24. So there is that for us. And then the next item on here is the Earth Harbor Naturals Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule? I do not know what that is, but that is this right here. So it is an anti-pollution youth ampoule, red algae, plant stem cells. I don't even know what this is. It is a Helios, which is what does this say on the card? Named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun. Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule is an almighty ambrosia briming with ultra reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth preserving red algae. Acetaxanthin restores antioxidants, balances skin pH, and smooths fine lines and wrinkles. And this is $48. That is a mouthful of a lot of words I could not pronounce. Ambrosia, acetaxanthin, ampoule, I think that's what that word is. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. Interested. I love skincare. You know that. I'm a big fan of skincare. Whoa. That is interesting. And you know your girl loves herself some serums. And this is just aesthetically pleasing. Look at the fade in that. I can't even, what's the word I'm looking for? The ombre effect. There you go. The ombre effect of this bottle. Super pretty. Gotta love that. So I am super excited to try this out. I will be keeping that. But yeah, I'm super excited for that. I didn't even smell it. Does it smell like anything? I'm interested in that. Actually, this has a really clean scent to it, so I'm kind of cool with that because I don't really like things that have a lot of fragrance to them. On the side, it does say it is purely natural, authentical, C active. So it has plant-based, non-GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and it is a woman-owned brand. So that is really cool. Again, that is $48. Then we have a brand that I have had before, but it's been a while since I've seen it in my Boxy Charm or even my Ipsy. I've normally got it in Ipsy a lot, which is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Interesting. It has 8 superfoods: pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. And this is a formulated 8 super orange essence. The gentle 2-in-1 mask and face polish hydrates, exfoliates, and leaves skin supple and radiant. So it is a nourishing mask and face polish in one. Resurfaces and smooth skin, great for sensitive skin, provides a healthy radiant glow, helps minimize the appearance of pores, nourishes skin with superfoods, pumpkin boost, collagen, and turmeric soothing skin. So that's super cool and very on brand for obviously November, the fall time. The harvest theme that they have, the harvest theme that they have in this box. So definitely go ahead and keeping that. That is worth $45. Very interesting. What does the packaging look like? You know, sometimes the packaging can make or break the value. It's in plastic. You know, I get all the ingredients and what it does, but I feel like the value should be a little bit less than $45. I mean, I'm just saying, but I'm saying it's in plastic. If you would have upgraded and put it maybe in like an aluminum or in maybe, I don't know, glass, I maybe would have thought that would have been worth $45. But to me, that's just doesn't scream $45. And then the very last item in here is the Jecca Block. I don't know how you want to say that. JECCABLAC. This is Meet the Perfect Under Eye Liquid Corrector 2.0 Eye Brightener, which disguises darkness and even out skin tones. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish, and this is worth $15, and this is a part of their newest launch that they've had recently. This is in Liquid 2.0. Again, apply under the eye with a small brush or fingertips, can be used alone or before applying concealer. So it is a type of corrector. My curiosity is, what type of corrector is it? Oh. So it's like a peachy type of corrector. That's very interesting. I know there's correctors that are like this. I guess I've never used one, and I'm very interested to try it out since I don't have anything like this in my collection. Let's go ahead and just shear that out a little bit. So that's what it looks like now that it's been sheared out. So I can understand how like pink is supposed to like cancel out the dark circles under your eyes. I've actually been really interested in at some point getting my hands on the Nikita Dragon corrector. I'm not really sure if she's the only one that has something like that, or if there's other brands that might have something a little bit more affordable, but I'm definitely interested in trying this out for sure because I don't have anything like that in my collection. So we have the Natasha Denona palette, which is $48, the Earth Harbor serum, $48, the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow, $24, the Yensa polishing mask, which was $45, and then the Jekka Block Liquid Corrector 2.0, which is $15, which brings us to a total of $180. So we definitely got our value out of this box for sure. Which box am I more excited about? If you couldn't tell by my excitement when I opened up this box, it's definitely going to be Boxy Charm is definitely going to be the winner for this month, just because we did get some pretty great products in this box. Again, the Natasha Denona palette, which is amazing. The Gimme Brow, which both are high-end brands. And then obviously the other items that were in here that I'm interested in trying. Pretty much everything in this box I'm keeping. I'm actually keeping everything in this box, and that's never ever happened when I've done an unboxing of any of this stuff. Realistically, I've never kept almost everything in the box. I always give away at least once something, but not in this box today. But it's pretty much, you guys got everything from the Ipsy unbagging. So again, in the Ipsy unbagging, you guys are going to end up getting the eyelash curler in the giveaway, the eyeshadow stick in the giveaway, and the Violet Boss. So stay tuned for my unboxing of my Boxy Charm Premium, which that will be the giveaway video. So again, I love you guys so much, but you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget about those links down below for Boxy Charm and Ipsy. I love you guys so much. I will catch you on the flip side. If this is your first time seeing my channel, hey, go ahead and subscribe, all right? See you guys. Bye.